Now in a minute we're going to start creating some pages within our website. So the first thing we're going to do is create some fake Latin, and we can use this to populate our pages. So if you just bring up Google and search for the phrase something like fake Latin, as you can see, this page comes up first. You go and click on that, and if we just scroll down a bit, by default it'll create 5 paragraphs. That's enough for us. So click on where it says generate the fake Latin, and what we have to do is just simply copy this. So copy the fake Latin, press Ctrl C, put that into the clipboard, then bring up Microsoft Word, and within Microsoft Word just simply paste that in, and then go and save that as a document. The advantage of this is that we can then use this fake Latin to create fake content on the websites we'll be looking at in a minute.